Hello, my name is Eduardo Sanchez, and this is my company, Pixel Doctor. I'd like to show you what we do here. We're located here in Orlando, Florida. Um, Basically, we repair any pixel pitch that you can think of for any video wall. Right now, we're currently working on a AluVision 2.5, and Raul here is gonna repair this pixel that has two solder joints that are out. As you can tell, that was fixed now, and it's good to go. And then he's gonna do a little testing to make sure the connection is solid. And there it is. That's how we fix an LED video wall. Thanks a lot.